Let me introduce myself. My name is Sarah Anissa Septiani. NIM 23060324, A1 PGSD 2023. I recorded this video to fulfill the midterm exam assessment KRM-nya untuk bahasa Inggris. I took the title, Using Traditional Role-Play Games by Adults to Nurture a Culture of Cooperation Among Children Amidst Widespread Engagement in Online Games Within Today's Technology Society. What is abstract? Abstract is a brief summary or overview of a scientific work, containing the core problem, objective, method, result, and concerns of the research. Its function is to provide a comprehensive overview of the content of the paper so the readers can grasp the main points quickly and concisely. This study examines how the traditional Sundanese role-play games, ajang-ajangan, where children mimic adult roles and community activities, promotes the development of cooperation among young children. Using a qualitative case study at RA Al-Khadijah Amawa School, data were gathered through interview, observation, and document review during 5 study learning session. The findings show that ajang-ajangan encourage cooperative character by providing equal participation opportunities, fostering joy and active engagement among children. It is concluded that this traditional game effectively cultivates a spirit of cooperation within the community from early childhood. Example introduction in article: compassion is a fundamental element of human nature and plays a key role in early childhood development, especially in the domains of socio-emotional intelligence such as sharing, responsibility, and interaction. Traditional group play provides an effective means of teaching these cooperative skills, whereas implicit solitary gadget use may hinder children's ability to collaborate with others and reduce socialization. Therefore, integrating enjoyable traditional games in early childhood education is essential for fostering cooperation and preparing children for social participation. Now, then comes the methods of methodology section. Here the author explains how the research was conducted, what method was used, what the sample was, what instrument or procedure were followed, and how the analysis happened. This section is important because it allows others to assess the validity and reliability of the research. Methodology in the article used a qualitative approach with a case study design. The study was conducted at RA Al-Khadijah Amawas in Cianjur Regency. The reason for selecting the location for the school is because of its location. The school is the middle of rice field with a spacious playground, so children can use the playground to its maximum capacity. The data used is mainly primary data obtained through interview. The participants of the study were the principal of RA Al-Khadijah Amawas, the educator of tutors, the learners, and also parents with learners in the school. On the other hand, second data was obtained through the study of document observation. After methods, the research section presents what the study discovered. This often includes data, tables, figures, descriptive or statistical outcomes. The key is what did he research find. The research section typically does not interpret the finding in depth. Interpretation is often reserved for the next session. And next is the discussion, or sometimes research and discussion together. In this session, the author interprets the finding, what they mean in relation to the research question and the exciting literature. The implication, limitation, and suggestion for future research are often covered here. Research and discussion in the article. Research in this session, research of the studies related to the role of the traditional games in character development in regard to cooperation in early childhood are described as established in the study. The findings are description of the children's activities at RA Al-Khadijah Amawas Nursery School. The children was involved in Anjangan role-play activities. And this question in article, the set of the result of the study, the initial condition of children in RA Al-Khadijah could easily cooperate with one another. This is evident from the attitude of children who still do not show a kind attitude and are not willing to share with friends. However, the traditional game of Anjangan, there is shaping of the character of cooperation. The next one is conclusion. Many articles then end with a conclusion section. The conclusion states the main finding, reflects on the significance, and may suggest direction for future research. Conclusion: in article, it has been established that teaching comparison to children needs participation and innovation took from a traditional perspective. Modern technology has reached a level of pushing parents to think critically and in a creative manner to establish and redevelop traditional games to suit the modern challenge. Children of today as tomorrow's leaders need to be taught from angels and avoid robotic attitude behavior which may be created through online gaming and forgetting human interaction. Now, finally we have the reference section. This lists out the sources cited in the article, following a specific session style, AG or APA. It provides the readers with the ability to trace back to the original search and verify the claims. Sometimes there might also be appendices or acknowledgements after the reference depending on the article. Reference in the article: one is column B, A, K, and CMA 2090 Cooperation in Children, Current Biology, Volume 29, Issue 11p. 2 Sujono VN 2009, Basic Concept of Early Childhood Education, Jakarta Index.